Shailene Woodley is an actress widely recognized for her roles in various films and television series, but she is equally known for her distinctive lifestyle characterized by minimalism and eco-friendliness. Born on November 15, 1991, in Simi Valley, California, Woodley began her acting career at a young age and quickly rose to fame for her talent and versatility. Woodley gained widespread acclaim for her breakthrough role as Amy Juergens in the ABC Family series The Secret Life of the American Teenager, which premiered in 2008. However, it was her portrayal of Hazel Grace Lancaster in the film adaptation of John Green's novel The Fault in Our Stars, 2014, that catapulted her to international stardom. The movie's success solidified Woodley's position in the entertainment industry and marked the beginning of her journey into the spotlight. Beyond her acting career, Shailene Woodley is distinguished by her unique lifestyle choices, emphasizing minimalism and eco-conscious living. One of the most notable aspects of her minimalist lifestyle is her approach to fashion. Woodley has often been spotted at events and red carpets wearing simple, sustainable, and ethically produced clothing. She advocates for sustainable fashion choices and promotes environmentally friendly brands. Woodley embraces a hands-on approach to living with her do-it-yourself lifestyle. She crafts her own remedies by making her own medicines, consumes clay, and exclusively opts for spring water in her daily routine. Furthermore, she revealed that she eats organic and goes to a farm to get her food. She makes everything, from her own toothpaste to her own body lotions and face oils. In addition to that, she also crafts her own cheese, forages wild food, and identifies wild plants. She claims that clay is one of the best things you can put in your body and that one of her friends was making a clay toothpaste that you swallow instead of spit out. She says she discovered that clay is great for you because your body doesn't absorb it, and it apparently provides a negative charge, so it bonds to negative isotopes. We are not sure of the truth of this, and we are not advocating that you start eating clay. It is just impressive that she decided to make her own medicine. Woodley collects her own water from the mountains. In an interview with Flaunt, she said, "I think everything about my lifestyle is fairly alternative. I gather my own spring water from mountains every month." Shailene Woodley isn't just an actress, she's a walking, talking advocate for minimalism, eco-friendliness, and positive change. Her lifestyle isn't just a trend, it's a genuine commitment to making the world a better, greener place for us and the generations to come.